Placeholder is a concept used at Client to give you the possibility of assigning a not determined yet project resource for a specific role on a project. So let's look quickly at the project resource. We looked at it a bit previously. I don't know if you noticed, some of the project resource had some letters at the beginning here, and they are pretty generic. So in other words, when you are creating a project resource and you are clicking the placeholder here, we strongly recommend you to add a P at the beginning here as a naming convention and add the name of the related project role, because this placeholder is in fact a project resource, generic project resource for each role you enter in Client. So here in this list, I already created a list view called placeholders, and here you can see all of the placeholders that were created. So I've got all of my role, and I created a project resource placeholder, and these will be used a bit later on, especially very useful when you will create project templates. So a project templates, you know that for this type of project, you will require a developer and an engagement lead all the time. You assign these placeholder, and later on, it will be possible for you to swap these placeholders with actual resource when you will identify which resource should take place or should be part of this project. Also, very useful for capacity management, because this will allow you to assign placeholders to maybe a pipeline project, something that is not confirmed yet, or something that is in the future that is not confirmed who is going to be assigned to the project, but at least you have that same specific role. So in your reports, you'll be able to understand the trends, and you'll be able to flag in advance which which role are going to be required or very hot in the near future, and align your HR team for scouting accordingly to your needs. The other one that I wanted to bring to your attention, because I talked about naming convention, you saw maybe the C here, which is another possibility of creating your customer, right? Your customer can have a role for another need, which is linked maybe to having them handling or being part of some tasks on your project. So you could also create a project resource for your customer. Just the naming convention is a very useful recommendation we give to our customers.